Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's show you how to open the hood on your vehicle. Now I'm going to do it on this F150 right here, but almost every single vehicle is pretty dang close to the same process. Let's take a look. On the driver's side, down by your left foot, you'll see a handle that looks like this right here, and it's got a picture of the hood up, and it's showing the arrow just to pull the lever. So you just pull like this. You got to pull pretty firmly. Now at this point, it should have popped the hood just a little bit, and what you need to do is reach down and pull up. Now it only went up about an inch here, and then it's catching again. It won't go up anymore. That's because there's a manual lever that you need to find and then open, and this can be a little bit tricky. In general, it's down here underneath, and what you need to do is kind of run your fingers gently down underneath here, and you'll find that little lever. Okay, so here's my lever right here. I need to push it from the left to the right, and I'm gonna push it right here. Now it has disengaged it so I can push up on the hood. So I need to keep my fingers there. With my other hand, I'm gonna push up on the hood. There you go. We'll push it all the way up, and I'll kind of show you this lever right here. So again, my lever went from the left to the right. Yours could be the opposite. And when you lift it up, you're only gonna have about an inch that you can stick your hand down here, and you kind of have to reach in a little bit, find that lever, and then push it. Your lever might be a little bit more to the right, it could be a little bit to the left, but you will have a lever under there somewhere, and you can lift that hood all the way up. Now, here's another tricky part, believe it or not, is how to close the hood. You think just slam it? That's actually not the correct way to close a hood. What you should do is close it down, gently put it down, and it closes so there's still about an inch of a gap. Now what you're supposed to do is go to the center, and I like to use my forearm like this and push down firmly. Now I know it's locked in place, all set to go. Hey friends, I hope today's video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.